Hey guys, Mike Internet Pro. So glad you have made it here on this video. Now, if you're here on this video, I know that you're looking to make money online with YouTube, and I want to really continue speaking about how to make more money on YouTube this year than you ever have in any other year, and that comes down to subscribers, okay? As well as search engine optimization, you will need subscribers that are subscribing to your channel. It is a direct result of your rankings on YouTube, and it is also a kind of affirmation that you are truly, a voice to be heard out in the YouTube community. So, and one of the things you'll see here, and what I'm showing you, is an actual email account of mine. This is my YouTube email account, and I'll show you how I actually use my channels to bring in subscribers. All of these are subscribers, and you can see how they come in almost, throughout the entire day. Sometimes every hour, sometimes a couple times an hour. You'll see them coming in. This is January 5th. You can see all the subscribers that come in. January 4th, the 3rd, the 2nd, even on New Year's Day and New Year's Eve. You can see people are already always coming into the channel. This is a huge deal. Why? This goes back as far as the channel's beginnings, which is about like from my main channel about 10 months now, I think. And I have other YouTube channels, and so what happens is, as all these people pour in to the channel, they are actually saying that they want more of your videos. They want to see more of what you have to offer. Okay, they want to basically be aligned with you to see what it is that you're going to be teaching, showing, discussing, advertising, and that type of thing. And what that does is help rank your channel. It helps give it some accreditation, some validation. And these are the things that you're going to need if you're going to start making money with YouTube. Now, I will be discussing AdSense, how you can make money with AdSense as well, how you can make money with PayPal from your YouTube channels, how you can make money with any affiliate product, promotion, MLM. You can make money with selling clothing and different things like that. And I don't think the majority of people have really unleashed the full potential of YouTube as far as selling products and merchandise yet online. And there's such a huge local market for YouTube. If you live in a specific place and you want people to come to your home, or you want people to come to maybe a rented warehouse or storefront or something like that, or even if you have like let's say you have a stand in a flea market, or outside somewhere, maybe on you have hot, for example, like a food cart or a hot dog truck or something like this, and you are trying to get that type of business up and running. YouTube is a very powerful way to use the local market to advertise your wares and different products. So definitely, I think YouTube is very much underutilized and still somewhat untapped. And so that goes into, again, SEO, ranking and whatnot. And you have to know how to rank your videos properly. So if you need more information, you will find it below this video. Again, my name is Mike Internet Pro. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. I'm out.